Hello everyone, welcome to this online class. Today we will discuss some multiple choice questions of higher secondary economics from the chapter Basic Concepts of Economics. I think this video will help you clear the basic concepts. Here the question is, write the correct answer choosing the alternatives given in each question. Each question carries 1 mark. I read out the first question. Number 1. What is meant by utility in economics? What is meant by utility in economics? The options are I. Usefulness of the good, I. Want satisfying power of a good, I. Desirability of the good, IV. All of the above. What is meant by utility in economics? You know, want satisfying power of a commodity is called utility. Want satisfying power of a good is called utility. So, the correct option is I. Want satisfying power of a good. Want satisfying power of a good. Okay. Number 2. Which of the following is not the feature of utility? Which of the following is not the feature of utility? I. Utility is subjective. I. Utility may be cardinal or ordinal. I. Utility is same as usefulness. IV. Utility is different from pleasure. In I, we see utility is subjective, means utility is different from person to person. It differs from person to person. It is called subjective. Utility may be cardinal or ordinal. Cardinal means we can count it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means second is greater than 1, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 4, etc. In ordinal, first, second, third, fourth. We can count it first, second, third, fourth. This is called ordinal. Here, second may not greater than first, or third may not greater than second. I. Utility is same as usefulness. Utility is not same as usefulness, we know. So the answer may be I. I is the answer. Utility is same as usefulness. It is not true. Utility is different from pleasure. It is correct. Utility is not utility is different from pleasure. It is correct. So in number 2, the bit I, utility is same as usefulness is the answer, which is not the feature of utility. Number 3, making a chair from the wood creates dash utility. Making a chair from wood creates dash utility. The options are I. Form utility, I. Place utility, I. Time utility, IV. Service utility. Making a chair from the wood. A chair is when a chair is made from wood, its utility increases due to change of its form. So it is called form utility. When a wood becomes a chair, its utility increases, so it is called form utility. So making a chair from the wood creates dash utility. It means it is form utility. So the correct answer is form utility. Number 4, storing rice in winter and selling it during rainy season creates. Storing rice in winter and selling it during rainy seasons creates I place utility, double I time utility, triple I form utility, IV none of the above. We know winter, when we store rice in winter, its utility increases during rainy season. It is due to time. So the correct answer is time utility. Storing rice in winter and selling it during rainy seasons creates time utility. Number 5. Which of the following goods does not create utility? Orange, curd, opium, none of the above. All the three commodities here creates utility. Create utility. Orange creates utility, curd creates utility, opium creates utility. It may be not usefulness, but opium creates utility. So all of the above three create utility. So the answer will be IV, none of the above. Number 6. Measurability of utility in terms of 1, 2, 3 such that measurability of utility in terms of 1, 2, 3 dash 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 such that I utility is subjective, double I utility is ordinal, triple I or utility is cardinal, IV all of the above. In number 2 we have discussed all about this. 1, 2, 3, when we count 1, 2, 3, calculate utility by 1, 2, 3, it is called cardinal. It is called cardinal. So the answer will be triple I, utility is cardinal. Number 7. Which is the following is not true? Which is of the following is not true? I, utility can be arranged in order. Utility is not found in unpleasant goods. Utility differs from usefulness. None of the above. Which of the following is not true? Utility can be arranged in order. It is true. And utility differs from usefulness. It is also true. But in double I, bit nor double I, utility is not found in unpleasant goods. It is not true, because we can get, some people get utility from unpleasant goods like medicines which are not tasteful, but they are useful to our body. So utility is not found in unpleasant goods. It is not true. So the correct answer is utility is not found in unpleasant goods. Number 8. Service of a teacher creates time utility. Service of a teacher creates time utility, service utility, place utility, no utility is created. Service of a teacher creates service utility. It is correct. Service creates service utility. So a teacher serves by teaching the students. So he gives service utility. So it is called service utility. The correct answer is service utility. Number 9. Utility varies from person to person. This notion indicates that utility is objective. Utility can be measured. Triple I, utility is subjective. IV none of the above. In number 2 we have discussed about all this. Utility varies from person to person. This notion indicates that utility is subjective. I have told previously in number 2 it is called utility subjective, means utility varies from person to person. Number 10. People consume opium because I, it has utility, double I, it is useful, triple I, it is necessary for life, IV all of the above. Okay, people consume opium because it has utility. It can fulfill the wants of some person. So utilities. In case it has utility, opium has utility, we call utility. It has utility if it has no usefulness, but it has utility. Okay. Number 11, selling the goods of rural area in town creates I form utility, double I time utility, triple I place utility, IB service utility. Selling the goods of rural area in town means change of place. So it is called place utility. When changes place, it creates more utility from rural area to town area. Selling the goods of rural area in town creates more utility. So it is due to place, change of place. So it is called place utility. Number 12, wealth is in economics refers to I all economic goods, double I valuable goods, triple I money, gold and diamond, IB goods having valuable in use. Wealth in economics refers to all economic goods. We know that all economic goods which have unsatisfying capacity, all economic goods have both value in use and exchange, value in exchange. Both are possessed by economic goods. So all economic goods. 13, which of the following is not wealth? Bay of Bengal, I Bay of Bengal, double I Sunday, sun or moon, triple I the Himalayas, IB none of the above. Which of the following is not health? Which of the following is not wealth? Bay of Bengal, sun or moon, the Himalayas, IB none of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. All these things may be international or national wealth. So none of the above. The answer is none of the above. 14, which of the following is not the characteristics of wealth? I high value in use, double I high value in exchange, triple I marketability, IB external position. A marketability, external position, high value in exchange, these are the characteristics of wealth, but high value in use, it is not the characteristics of wealth. So the answer may be high value in use. Number 15, wood in the jungle is not wealth because it has no utility, it is not transferable, triple I it is not scarce, IB all of the above. Wood in jungle is not scarce, so it is not wealth. So the correct answer is triple I, it is not scarce. 16, money is not wealth because I it has no utility, double I it cannot be transferred, triple I it is not scarce, IB all of the above. Money has the all characteristics of wealth, but still it is not wealth because it has no utility. When a commodity or goods possessed both value in use and exchange value, then we say that it has utility, it has possessed the quality of utility. But money has no self value, value in use, it has not value in use, so it has no utility, so it is not wealth. Money is not wealth because it has no utility. The answer will be I, it has no utility. Number 17, diamond is wealth but air, sunshine are not wealth because I, diamond has high value in use, diamond is scarce in supply, Triple I, air, sunshine are gift of nature. IV, diamond is very costly. In these options, double I is the correct option. Diamond is scarce in supply. Diamond is scarce in supply. It is the correct answer. So diamond is wealth, but air, sunshine. So air and sunshine, these are available plenty amount of sunshine and air available. So they have no the characteristics of scarce. So the correct answer is double I. Diamond is scarce in supply. 18. What type of wealth is your Kisan Vikas Patra? Kisan Vikas Patra. What type of wealth? I, national wealth. Double I, potential wealth. Triple I, individual wealth. IV, negative wealth. Kisan Vikas Patra is an individual wealth because it cannot be transferred to other person. It cannot be separated by the name it is booked. So the answer will be triple I, individual wealth. 19. Number 19. Which of the following is not wealth? I, your HSC certificate. Double I, technical skill. Triple I, honesty. IV, all of the above. Which is not wealth? HSC certificate is not wealth because it cannot be transferred to another person. Technical skill, a person cannot transfer. It cannot be separated from his body. So technical skill is not wealth. Honesty, one cannot separate honesty from his body. So it is also not wealth. So the answer will be IV, all of the above. Now number 20. 20. Voice of a singer is not wealth. Voice of a singer is not wealth because I, it is not transferable. Double I, it is not externally possessed. Triple I, it is not marketable. IV, all of the above. Voice of a singer is not wealth because all the three options, it is not transferable, it is not externally possessed, triple I, it is not marketable. All are correct. So the answer will be IV, all of the above. Okay, all of the above. Today we discussed 20 MCQ questions. Then we will today come to the conclusion. In this number, give a comment about this video. Do you like this video? Please write to me. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for the next updates. Okay, thanks for watching.